Hi, I'm Charles and let's have a go at using Skype. So first, select your start menu and scroll down. You'll find Skype somewhere underneath S. If you'd like to select it and drag it on a desktop, I always find it easier to use it there. Double click on this and open it and you should find this particular screen here. And when you first get it, you'll find you don't actually have anything to identify you as yourself. You know, if you've got a common name, there could be thousands of you all over the place. So what we're going to do, we're going to make it really easy to use and make it really easy to find, so anybody who's searching for you knows it's you. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to click on this photo here at the top, and we're going to add a photo. So you can do this either just by clicking on it, and in my case it shows a delightful picture of me with my stupid headgear on, or you can select to use a picture clicking on the three buttons here if you're that way inclined. I've already set my picture up, so I'm going to leave it just for now because I'm really happy with it. Once you've got a picture, the next thing to set some details for yourself. The best way to do is if you click on the picture again and you see where it says manage account. When you click on this, it'll open up an Internet Explorer thing and it'll sign you in. It does take its time just to get yourself set up. And then it should have all your details here on the screen, your picture and everything else, and it'll try and take money off you, but we're not too bothered about that today. If you look down this side here, on this blue bar, and click on where it says Edit Profile, this bit takes you to your profile information. This is the bit that people will see when they try and search for you. You can do this by simply clicking on Edit Profile, selecting what you want to change. You know, I might change myself to a female, I'll leave it as male for now. And then once you're happy with it and you've got something to identify yourself, click on Save. Once that's set up, in theory, when you go back to Skype, it should be really easy for other people to see you. So I'm going to just search for somebody. Let's have a look at let's try Wendy Edelston. Let's see if we can find her. There we go. We can see at the top we've got a picture, so we know it's definitely her. What you can do is if you want to see what they actually look like, if you right click on the name and click on View Profile, you can actually see a little bit about them. So here we go, Sophie Hayes, Childcare Programme Coordinator at Total People, so you know it's definitely the right person. And I recommend doing this for your own Skype, just so when people look for you, they can tell who you are, and you know you're not clicking on the wrong person or contacting somebody in Australia and waking them up. Thank you very much, and next we'll have a look at using some having a conversation and calling somebody. So now I'm going to call somebody. So I'm going to click on my dear wife here, and I can see a chat box, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on the phone button, and this should be just like a normal phone call.
Yeah, you're right.
Hello. So I've connected onto Skype now, so I can talk to my wife. I can see their face. They can't see mine at the moment, but I'm going to click on this button here, and now can you see me?
I can now see you.
Look at that, spectacular. I can also share my screen, which if I click on the three dots here means I can click this button here, share screen and sounds, and hopefully you should be able to see what's on my screen. Is that right?
Yep, me making sandwiches.
Look at that, you making sandwiches. And what I can also do, I'll turn that back off and I'll go back to the camera. I can also text talk on here, so I can write something like hello dear on here, and then in theory the text should appear on your screen and you should be able to text back. And it's very useful for sharing things like web links. What I'm going to hang up on now. Could you give me a call back on Skype in about a second?
Okay.
Okay, I'm hanging up on you now. And then what we'll have now, hopefully, she should call me back straight away if she truly loved me, and I'll click and I'll show you how to answer the call. Here we go. So it appears in the top there. Nice big thing. I'm going to click on the answer button, and I'll put the camera on, why not? And then hopefully, ta-da! And there we have it. Everything worked fine?
Everything works fine.
Marvellous. Thank you very much.
No probs.